Hey guys, just a quick update, especially I would say on the Discus tank, since Tropheus quite nothing is going on. Just both tanks have been cleaned completely. Now you can see the parameter, nearly 2 points of difference of pH. This water is has a pH very high, with aeration in the sump, explaining the pH so high. In contrary, this one is fresh water without any mineral in it nearly. Let's say the carbonate is very low and pH is dropping. It's easier to control the pH here. Here it's much more complicated and you have a kind of risk. Something wrong could happen. So, by the way, the point of the video, this is more to show you, where do I have the light? Yeah. Maybe colonization, expansion of the wells is going on. So here you have L201. So this is typically this guy, you see? And if I stop to move, you will see a bit more the structure of the eggs. It's quite interesting. So they are maybe 4 days old, something like that, and they start to move and they continue to absorb the vitelline sac or reserve in English, no idea. So by the way, here this is the new L333. As you can see, this is one batch, and this time we have more than 30 babies, maybe 34, so it's a new high number that we got. And I let the juvenile, yeah, the food I'm using is interesting for Discus as well, and this little one always kept these habits. So the food, dedicated food, I have different food that I can show you one day. This one and this one, for example. And in addition, I use this one, it's insect. This one, this is mussel. And this one, this is seafood. So you have, from this German firma, you have a very nice set, especially if you see these guys, typically 333. You have here, it's not empty, on the contrary. You have some browsers, you have some valves here as well, and if you have a look on top of the eggs and over there on the magnet, do you see it? Okay, thanks for the focus. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, not today. So by the way, you see when they are a bit older, they are looking like that. There are a lot of 201. This is true, but you have some nice 333. Still a bit everywhere. And yeah, I moved some fish, and you could tell me that this snails, this is a killer snail, really doesn't have anything to do in this tank. And maybe you're right, but it's just that they come from another tank that I emptied, and I won't throw them away. I will try to find somebody to get them. And if you are wondering what is a phosphate and nitrate absorber, to remind you, I don't know if you see something. No, not this time. So by the way, it has been cleaned. You see, this is the input of the water. Yeah, it has been cleaned, I repeat. Doesn't look like that. And I did test both of the tank, and they have a nitrate of 1 ppm. so it's very low, and I'm curious to see how long it will last. It's 2 liters of absorber for 300 liters. Here typically it's a low level food, and I would say not so many angry eater. Here it's a lot of fishes everywhere, even if you don't see all the fishes, and you are a lot of waste generated in this tank. You can see the difference already in the filter. If you have a look on the wallpaper here and here, you can here it's nearly white and this one is dark. And the pollution in this tank is much higher, so I think this one we will get nitrate before the Tropheus one. We will see. That's all for this update. Ciao guys.